I am going to show you how to create a beaded bracelet on a stretchy cord or elastic string, as some may call it. You can measure the string with a tape measure, or you can just use your wrist to gauge how long it's going to be. You're going to cut the string. You can make 1 or 2 knots, stretch it, make sure that it is very secure so that it will not come loose. And that string should be 1 or 2 knots just to make sure that the bead is going to stay on and it doesn't pass through the knot. You can pre-select your color combination that you'll be using. Place the beads on one by one. You can kind of gauge how far you want the seed beads to go until you put on the accent bead. And then you're going to put on the accent bead and then go back to your color combination. So after you have gotten, maybe I would say you would leave at least 2 inches of string left before you prepare to finish this bracelet. So make sure that it looks good according to your eye. This process can be pretty tedious. Some people enjoy it, some people don't. But the more that you do it, the faster it'll be finished. So once you get to the end, you want to make sure that you do 1 or 2 knots or 3. No, definitely no more than 3. If you want to have that last knot to fit through the accent bead, since the accent bead does have a larger hole, you want to do no more than 2 knots. So make sure you stretch it really tight so that it is not going to come loose. And then you're going to place the last beads on, tie it in a knot, cut the string closer to the knot so that it's not so visible. And I do sell bracelets and waist beads wholesale. My website is craftswoman.com, or you can email me at contact@craftswoman.com if you have any questions about how to make beads, how you can get beads, and we have free shipping.